Very good day to everyone. Today we will present about building services preventive maintenance strategy at UTeM building areas.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Abdul Fattah Ifat bin Isa. I would like to present about Introduction Cafe 1 UTeM. Cafeteria 1 UTeM or Cafe Plaza is a key meeting spot at University Technical Malaysia Melaka UTeM. Located between FTKE and FTKEK. It offers affordable meal including Malaysian and international dishes in a clean, special and welcoming setting ideal for dining, relaxing or studying. Beyond food, it serves as a hub for student event, university program and festival celebration, fostering a sense of community and collaboration. Its central location and lively atmosphere make it more than just a cafeteria. It a vibrant space that enriches campus life and connect to UTeM community.
Very good day. I am Muhammad Ahmad bin Anwar. Metric number B0921101164. So I will explain about the problem encountered on the cafeteria 1. So as you can see on the table, we already recorded several category, which is the paint issue, structural, wear related and also electrical issues. So for the pen issues, we came out with the pen blistering, plain peeling, and for the structural crack in the wall, tile dimensions crack on the tile, also ceiling damage. And for the wear, we recorded water leakage, mold growth, plumbing issues on the toilet. And for the electrical, this is the most encountered problem and major problem for our team has been recorded, which is uh, the rusty door frames on the electrical systems and also switch plate damage. Okay, for the problem, first one on the paint blistering, the formation of bubble or blister on pointed surface or on the cafe, and maybe the technical cause because of a trapped moisture beneath the paint, painting over damp or dirty surface. And for the cracks in the walls, this wall is we record on the outside of the cafe. It is visible cracks in plaster, concrete, and the walls. Structural movement or settling because of temperature variation causing the expansion and the contractions on the cafe wall. Okay, so tile dimension are the most major problem we saw on the cafe 301. A separation or lifting of tile from the floor or wall. The technical cause is because of poor adhesive application, moisture penetration beneath the tiles, and water leakage on the toilet. Also, water came out on the surface. Okay, mold growth also on the tiles, paint peeling, the most on the cafe area, and also corroded metal fixtures on the surface of the rooftop of the cafe. A broken ventilation system also we saw on the toilet, it not functioning well. Rusty door frames, uh, electrical exposed on walls that has not covered properly, ceiling panel damage on the toilet and also on the cafeteria table. Okay, on the upper side of their table, and faulty light fixtures on the cafeteria also. So I think there's a lot of problem on the cafeteria that we already recorded. And for the budget, okay, that's all from me on the problem that I have recorded. We moving to the maintenance strategy. Thank you.
Good day to Dr. Fat. I'm Chong Ming, and now I will continue with the maintenance strategies for each problems identified earlier. A maintenance strategy refers to a systematic and proactive approach to managing and resolving issues in a facility, equipment, or system to ensure its optimal functionality, safety, and longevity. It involves identifying, planning, and implementing actions to address current problems and prevent future issues through regular inspections, timely repairs, and preventive measures. The bar chart provides a clear visual representation of the maintenance strategies required to address various problems in the cafe. Each horizontal bar corresponds to a specific problem, such as paint blistering, cracks in walls, or water leakage, and the bar length reflects the complexity or effort associated with implementing the proposed maintenance strategy. Longer bars indicate more details or resource-intensive strategies, such as those required to address plumbing issues, rusty door frames, or ceiling panel damage. In contrast, shorter bars represent simpler maintenance strategies, such as fixing the switchblade damage or addressing faulty light fixtures. This visualization is particularly useful for maintenance planning, as it enables quick comparisons of the effort required for different tasks and identify high priority areas that may need additional resources or attentions. The first issues we tackle is paint blistering and peeling, which is often caused by trapped moistures, poor surface preparations, or low quality paint. To address this, the surfaces should be truly clean and primed before painting, and high quality, moisture resistant paints should be used. Regular inspections can identify early signs of damage, and proper ventilation is essential to prevent moisture buildup. Next are cracks in walls and tiles, which results from structural settling or improper tile installations. These issues can be mitigated through routine inspections to detect cracks early, repairing them with fillers and reinforcements, and replacing damaged tiles with high-quality adhesive and sealants. Additionally, improving building insulations can reduce stress caused by temperature fluctuations. Water leakage and stains represent another significant problem, often stemming from plumbing failures or inadequate waterproofing. Regular inspections of plumbing and roof systems can help detect leaks early, and waterproof coatings should be applied in high moisture areas. Faulty pipes and seals must be replaced, and affected areas can be repainted after the root cause is addressed. Moth growth is a health hazard. Addressing this involves improving airflow through proper ventilation systems, using dehumidifiers in high humidity zones, and promptly fixing leaks and condensation issues. More affected surfaces should be cleaned with antifungal treatments and repainted with more resistant coatings. Plumbing issues in toilets such as leaks, clogs, or insufficient flow can disrupt operations. Regular plumbing inspections are necessary to check for worn seals, leaks, and clogs. Faulty valves and fittings should be replaced, and preventative measures like strainers can help reduce debris build-up in drains. Exposed electrical wires pose safety risks, often due to poor installations or aging infrastructure. To address this, electrical systems should be inspected regularly, with damaged conduits repaired or replaced. Upgrading aging systems and ensuring proper installation practices can prevent future hazards. Faulty light fixtures are another issue, often caused by electrical faults, aging components, or water ingress. Regular inspections and testing of light fixtures can prevent this problem. Damaged or non-functional fixtures should be replaced immediately, and areas prone to water ingress must be sealed properly. Upgrading to energy-efficient models enhance both reliability and performance. Rusty door frames and corroded metal fixtures compromise structural integrity over time. To combat this, regular cleaning and protective coatings can prevent rust. Severely, rusted components should be replaced, and using corrosion-resistant materials alongside proper ventilations can help reduce humidity-related damage. Broken ventilation systems such as damaged fans or blocked ducts can result in poor airflow and uncomfortable environments. To resolve this, regular inspections and cleaning of ventilation systems are essentials. Damaged motors and ducts should be repaired or replaced, and professional HVAC maintenance should be scheduled to ensure optimal operations. Monitoring air quality is also important to address issues promptly. Ceiling panels damage, often caused by structural settling or mishandling during installations, affects both aesthetics and safety. Inspections can identify damage early, and structural issues contributing to settling must be addressed. Damaged or dislodged panels should be replaced with durable materials, and proper handling during installations is critical to avoid future issues. Switchblade damage such as cracks or looseners can occur during to wear and tear. Improper handling or aging. Damaged switchblades should be replaced immediately to prevent electrical hazards. Proper installations and securing of fittings are essentials, along with using high-quality, durable materials for replacements. Regular inspections can help ensure safety and functionality. In summary, the maintenance strategies aim to ensure the facility's safety, functionality, and aesthetics. For each issue, targeted solutions are proposed, such as regular inspections, repairs, the use of high-quality materials, and preventive measures like waterproofing, enhanced ventilations, and corrosion protections. The importance of these strategies lies in their ability to enhance safety by addressing hazards such as exposed electrical wires and structural damage, preserve the building's integrity by preventing long-term issues like leaks and corrosions, and improve the facility's operational efficiency and visual appeal. Overall, these measures are essentials for maintaining a safe, functional, and inviting space while reducing disruptions and long-term expenses. Thank you.
Now we move to maintenance cost of Cafeteria 1. This guide aims to assist in budget, preparation, and informed decision making for building repairs and upkeep. As you can see in the slide right now, we are focusing on two common problems, which is paint blistering and paint peeling. These issues are typically not just about the aesthetic of painted surface. They frequently signal problems that should be addressed, such as moisture accumulation or a poor initial surface preparation. Maintaining the appearance and durability of painted surfaces means that this issue must be addressed in a timely manner. Long-term solution will usually require proper diagnosis of the underlying cause, appropriate treatment, and good application of the correct materials. We have two examples here to look at. Firstly, paint blistering, which will cost an estimated of 700 ringgit to resolve, and then we have paint peeling, which is likely to cost 600 ringgit to fix. Both of these examples show that there are clear signs that something is wrong and further investigation are warranted. Next, we move structural issues. As you can see on the slide, problems like cracks in wall, tight illumination, and ceiling damage are more than just cosmetic flaws. These issues can compromise the overall structure of a building and pose safety risks. They often originate from ground movement, settling, or errors during constructions. Early detection is vital, whether it is simple patch or more detailed assessment by a professional. Addressing these concerns early on is essential to prevent further damage and ensure the long-term stability of the building. Let's take a closer look at some examples. We have cracks in walls, which could cost around 1,500 ringgit to fix, tile delamination, which costs 900 ringgit to repair, cracked wall ties at an estimated 400 ringgit, and finally ceiling panel damage with a cost around 800 ringgit. These are just examples of what can occur and the cost involved. Moving on, let's discuss water-related issues. These types of problems are significant because they can cause serious damage and create unhealthy environments. Leaks, moss growth, and plumbing issues often stem from faulty plumbing, roof problems, and or even inadequate ventilation. This moisture buildup can weaken structural materials and lead to mold infestation, which can affect the health of building occupants. Prompt identification and repair are crucial here, not just for the building itself, but also to maintain a healthy living or working space. Looking at the examples in the image, we have water leakage, which can cost around 1,500 ringgit to address, moss growth, which an estimated 1,200 ringgit to rid of, and water stain on ceiling, which can be addressed at around 600 ringgit. And finally, plumbing issues in toilet, which a fixed estimated RM 1,000. This kind of problem at early stage can help to prevent further escalation. Finally, let's look at electrical issues. These issues represent a very serious concern due to the potential safety risks involved. Problems such as exposed wiring, faulty fixtures, and damaged switch plates can create real hazards within a building. These issues are often the result of poor initial installation, the aging of electrical components, or just general wear and tear. They can lead to the potential risk of electrical shocks and even fire. Given the severity of these potential consequences, it is imperative that any electrical concerns are addressed promptly and by qualified electricians. This helps to guarantee the safety of all occupants and helps to prevent serious accidents. In the slide, you can see some of the examples such as broken ventilation system which can cost 1,200 to rectify, rusty door frames which estimated at around 1,000 to fix, and exposed electrical wires which can cost approximately 1,500 ringgit to repair. All of this should be addressed by a qualified professional as soon as possible.
For the last part is conclusion. The overall cost of 30,800 ringgit is considered low, as it reflects that the building currently does not have many major significant problems. However, this cost serves as a reference for proactive maintenance planning by addressing minor issues yearly and implementing preventive measures. It aims to avoid potential future expenses and minimize losses related to building maintenance. This approach emphasizes the importance of regular upkeep to sustain the building condition and reduce the likelihood of costly repair in the long term. That's all from me. Thank you.
That's all from us. Thank you.